Yes, San Pedro, my friends, San Pedro. This market is famous because has many history. Actually, yeah, this year, 2025, this market was 100 years old. Yeah, okay, so we had a big celebration. Yeah, okay. By many years was the most important market for us, for locals, because we came here, to get our food, okay, to buy our ingredients, products for cook in our houses. However, in the last years, changed a lot. When 18 years ago, when Machu Picchu became one of the world's 7 wonders. Today, it's probably the most touristy market of the country, okay? So if you want to get some food, yeah, as you can see, everybody is selling the same thing. This is the dried alpaca meat, my friends, yeah, okay? Dried alpaca meat is the most common way how locals eat alpaca today, yeah, okay? This one over here is the most famous bread of the city. What is the name of this bread? Chuta. Why is so famous? Because this bread was made in the first place where the Spaniards produced wheat. So why wheat is so important in our culture today in Cusco? Because remember, today 80% of the population, we are Catholics, guys, Catholics, yeah? So imagine, no wheat, no bread, no body of Jesus Christ, no mass, no religion. That's why it was very important, the production of bread in Peru. Yeah, okay? Which is the most famous cheese of the city that also you're gonna find when you travel everywhere, in your hotel or Airbnb, buffet restaurants. This cheese, the name is paria cheese, yeah, okay? It's a kind of basic cheese that tastes like milk, yeah? It's sometimes more salty or sometimes very soft and mild. Today we're gonna use this cheese to bake the chili pepper in the workshop, yeah, okay? Sí, esto es muy bueno para el sol. Yeah, she's arguing in front. The corn chocolate, yeah, and believe me, my friends, this corn is small because the biggest could be like this, big, yeah, okay? So this one I told you we used to make ceviche, my friends, yeah, okay? So potatoes. So how we use the potatoes, how we use them, how we classify them. The classification depends of the quality of the starch of the potato, my friends, yeah? For example, we have potatoes like this. Do you see something like this before? These potatoes, okay, are roots, like tubers or tuberculos, okay? Inside, for example, are a little bit sticky. So if you cook now, the flavor is okay, normal. So how is the way to cook these potatoes? You have to leave these ones at least 3 days under the sun, and after the carbohydrates taste more sweet, yeah, okay? That is the way. So okay, how to say this, yeah? This one the name is añu, and this one the name is oca, yeah? Probably if you visit native communities, they're gonna give you, probably, yeah, okay? This is plants for the elevation sickness, yeah, okay? The name of this is ruda, yeah, okay? You have to rub it and smell it, and you're gonna feel much better, yeah? Actually, your lungs gonna get more oxygen, yeah? It's very popular in the city. Even it's much better than coca leaves, because the coca leaves are a stimulant, but this one, not, my friends, yeah, okay? So I will give you a little bit. Amigos, esto es mucho mejor.
Manta y flores casero.
Number one is this one over here. Do you try it? Probably or never. The name is granadilla. It's a kind of passion fruit, guys. It's a kind of, because between Peru, Ecuador, Colombia, Brazil, we have 400 different kinds of passion fruit. So this one is the best. It's the most sweet and the most edible passion fruit. So today we're gonna try it in the workshop. The name is sweet cucumber, yeah, okay? It's a melon, okay? It's very sweet, juicy, okay? Anti-inflammatory, grows originally in these regions, guys. Yeah? We're gonna try it today. The name is cucumber because the first fruit was long as a cucumber and after was mixed with a variety of melon. Yeah, okay, so we're gonna try it today. The most strange fruit of Peru. The name is lucuma. Yeah, okay. This fruit is very dry inside. Tastes like a pumpkin and a sweet potato together. Yes, yes, yes. Yeah, it's of Peru. The name of this fruit is chirimoya. This fruit tastes like bubble gum. Tastes like mango. Yes. Mango tastes like apple, pear, all of them in one fruit. Yeah. Also, we're gonna try it in the workshop. This fruit. Yeah. Okay. The worst fruit of the country. Yeah. The most stinky. The name is noni. Yeah. Okay. This fruit is used as medicine for the cancer. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. I will give you a little bit. Yeah.
Passion fruit.
They sell it here. Fruit. This one is extremely sour, you know, so we don't consider as a fruit. Just we come here and buy it and make our drinks, guys, like infusions, teas or cocktails. I will use this for you today, yeah, in the workshop. Spicy, but when you clean the seeds, it's very tasty, serious spice. So today we're gonna try it in the workshop, guys. Yeah? Exotic ingredients of Peru. What is the name of this?
Black corn.
Yes, black or purple corn. Maize morado. Yeah, morado is purple. Was very spicy. Today, not anymore, guys. Yeah, even the original restaurants where people sell food here in Cusco was named. Were named picanteria. In Spanish means places where people only serve spicy food. Little pomegranate.
Melon sweet?
Yes. Melon.
Cusco tiene relleno, pero es solo una pasa o puede ser un pedazo de carne. Don't need the seeds, don't need the skin, please, friends. Yeah?
Just gotta take out those seeds.
Yes.
Fresh. Cantaloupe, watermelon, melon. The texture. It's just, I don't know.
I think it's the texture of this that I don't care for.
Like, I like the.
So why this fruit is so famous and expensive? Because we use this to make our national ice cream. Yes.